Hey guys, welcome to another video. Rob and I purchased this corner unit a few weeks back and I decided to redo it while he was at work. So it went from this to this. I was super happy with it and decided to take you along with me. So we originally had this corner unit in our office. We thought it would have worked well and would be great storage, but when we got it home, we had a multiplier plugged into the wall and it just was not snug. It wouldn't let the corner unit get up against the wall. So a few weeks after that, Rob actually set up a fish tank. So we ended up deciding to move the corner unit into the dining room. It actually makes a lot more sense in there because that's where, on the bottom is where we have all our games and everything stored. But I decided one day while Rob was at work that it needed to match the shelf that's in there. So since Rob was at work, I got to work. I started by taking out the glass because I didn't want any paint to get on it. I decided that I didn't want to paint the inside. I was going to leave that the wood color and only paint the outside. So I taped off and obviously put newspaper to make sure that the paint wouldn't get inside the unit. I shimmied it outside all by myself. I was pretty proud of myself and I got ready to paint. I got this all prepped, ready to go. Outside, protected the concrete. I think really quick in the moving it, maybe I should wait till I move it back in. Gotta put new furniture pads on, so. Let's get to painting. Right, Bisa? Such a beautiful day here. Whew, hot, but beautiful. So I use this Rust-oleum Painter's Touch paint in the color Nutmeg, and I absolutely love it. It's just the perfect warm brown. Coat 1 is done. The front looks pretty good. Still can see some of the wood, like the wood grains. Like I don't mind seeing this, but I don't want to see the actual wood like this. Anyways, this side is good. And then this side, I guess I was tired because I got drips, but it's a corner piece, so you're not really going to see the sides, so I'm just gonna rub them out, maybe go over it again, but I only have one can left, so I'm going to really focus on the front and then touch up the sides if needed. But I'm going to let this dry and I'm actually going to go eat breakfast. Minnie! About to start coat 2. So thankfully I did have enough paint in the can to kind of just gloss over the sides. I know you don't see them, but I just wanted to be sure that no matter where this ended up, that it looked really good. Coat 2 is done. I am going to wait probably an hour or two before I move it back in the house and set it back up because I just want to make sure it's super, super dry before I handle it. But it's looking really, really good. All finished painting. And now it's time to take off the paper. So I was pretty proud of myself getting all the glass back in without any mishaps in the doors. I really can't say the same for the shelves. Those were definitely frustrating, but thankfully it wasn't too big of a mishap. So somehow in the process of putting in that second shelf, I broke the mechanism that holds the shelf in. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to glue it back together. Rob just got me a new battery operated hot glue gun. And then I'm gonna make sure when I put it in that it's this way so that the weight is still on the bottom and not on this broken part. And then I might tape it too. I don't know, we'll see. Whole thing makes me very nervous. These are how the normal ones look. And my broken one. So the hot glue is actually Gorilla hot glue, and it is legit. Nothing has happened. It's been perfect. So I think I fixed it. I reinforced it a little bit on the back. And like I said, when I put it in the hole, the broken side will go up. And I'll let it sit for a couple hours before I put shot glasses on it to make sure. So I Windexed everything and made sure it was sparkling clean for when I put the shot glasses back in. We got so lucky that this thing came with the light. It looks so good with that light in it. Okay, down there we keep games. I'm gonna load it all back up and show you when I'm done. And that's it. Put all the games down in there. Put all of Rob's shot glasses back in. And I'd have to say, it looks really, really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I hope to see you soon. Stay safe and peace out. I also wanted to take the time to invite you guys over to Instagram to give us a follow. That's where we will update more daily things that are happening, and we would love to have you over there.